You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word and more related and confusing vocabulary too many people get wrong in English. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Mortgagor. Mortgagor. So you have a silent T there for some reason, and then you have a soft G as the second G, so it's not mortgagor, but mortgagor with a stress on the first syllable. It's easy once you know, right? And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.